Top 5 Amazon KDP niches, episode 15. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 15th episode of Top 5 Amazon KDP niches. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first niche for today is Korean Practice Notebook. It is just 354 results on Amazon. And as usual, you guys know that anything foreign, not only does it have less results or less competition, but it's also very profitable because people are searching for it, but not many people are supplying it. So you can see for yourself, taking a look at the results we have on Amazon. The list price is $55.99, and look at nearly all of them have reviews, and all the first 4 are being sponsored. Looking at the results, you can see that the first 3 have reviews, or these 3 have reviews, and this one doesn't, but all of them have sold, as you can see from the BSR. So scrolling down, you can see other books that have been selling still in this Korean Practice Notebook. Look at this one, 58 reviews, 6 reviews, 17 reviews, 134 reviews. So this shows you how profitable this niche is. Many people are searching for this book, but not many people are supplying it. It's just about what, 354 results on Amazon. So guys, this is a very profitable niche that you guys should get into as fast as possible before it becomes saturated. So as usual, I found you an interior and creative Fabrica. This is the interior I found for you. It is the Korean Practice Notebook interior. Only 10 cents because the Easter sale is going off. It's 90% off right now. This is the best time to grab the 19 per month plan deal because you're also going to have the Easter deal plan right now. This is what the pack contains. It contains InDesign and PowerPoint presentation files, PDF. It's 100 pages in total, and the size is 8.5 by 11 inches. So we're going to move to Publisher Rocket to see the keywords that you can use with this niche. So I'm just going to quickly scroll for you so you can grab the keywords that you're going to use for this niche. As you can see, there are many keywords, but just be careful with the keywords you're picking. So it rhymes with, I guess that is it. So it rhymes with the niche you're choosing. Okay, so that's it for the first niche. We're moving on to the second niche. The second niche is Japanese Practice Notebook. Like I told you before, all these foreign notebooks have a lot of sales because people are searching for it, but there are not many suppliers. So this gives you an opportunity to get into this niche and grab all those sales. So I'm going to scroll and show you the first books that are getting a lot of sales in this niche. Look at this. Look at this. 46 reviews. This one is all right. I don't think this is a notebook. Let's see. There you go. So this one is Learn Japanese from Zero. Oh, mistakenly clicked on it. I'm just going to go back. Japanese Practice Notebook, which is what I'm telling you about. This one is a pack of 3 books, and it's doing well in sales. And scrolling down, you can see other books that are doing well in Japanese practice workbooks and things like that. So I find an interior on Creative Fabrica. It's the Japanese Practice Notebook interior. Apparently someone already bought this. I can see a review there. So let's go down and see what the person has to say. Person says extremento. So this is definitely Spanish. Extremamente, exactamente, okay, Exantemator. So I think this makes exactly what he wanted. Yeah, that's I don't really know Spanish, but I can tell that he liked it. Exantemator exactly. And muchas gracias. This is definitely thank you very much, and 5 stars reviews. So he definitely, or she definitely, Alexander, he is a he definitely liked it. So this definitely proves that the interior is great for everyone to use. And it is 100 pages, 8.5 by 11 inches, and you can edit it. I don't even think you need to edit it, but that's up to you. If you want to edit it, you can always edit it. And like I said before, the Easter sale is going on, 90% off. By the way, there's a link in the description if you want to get to Creative Fabrica. And let's move to Publisher Rocket to find the keyword you're going to use with this niche. So we are on the Japanese practice notebook, and I'm just going to quickly scroll for you. Right, here you go. Here are the keywords. Best Japanese notebook. That's a definitely good keyword to use. All right, so there you go. Those were the keywords. We're moving on to the third niche. Our third niche is the Notary Records Journal. So it is just 705 results on Amazon. And let's see the top books which are ranking well for this niche. So this one is a bestseller, Notary Journal, and it's sponsored. All of these ones are sponsored. It's like they're fighting for the sales or something because the niche is very good. Everyone is fighting for the sales. So, and look at this. Wow, this is price $6.99. Wait, this doesn't look like this is definitely not KDP because you can see shipping there, shipping to shipping. So this 1, 2, 3 and not KDP. This one is definitely KDP and it's prime and it's doing well. 10 reviews already, all five-star reviews. Oh no, this one 4-star review. Yeah, one 4-star review. All right, but it's definitely doing great. This is and it is a bestseller. So wow. So we should take examples from this book. Let's scroll down and see other books that we can get inspiration from, but we should be getting inspiration from the bestseller. Let's say, yes, these other ones too are selling. So all of them are doing well in this niche, guys, with reviews, as you can see from here. All reviews. Look at this 124 reviews, 412 reviews. This is Prime 2. Wow, this is definitely also by Amazon. So, guys, this niche is doing well. Let's see what the bestseller has to say or what the bestseller is doing. What is this bestseller doing that is making the bestseller get all the sales or many sales? So let's see the interior. Is anything different from the interior we're gonna get? This one says it's a notary log. So it has what the name, email address, phone number, signature, and all the likes. So let's go to Creative Fabrica and compare the results. Let's compare the results with this one. So this one says, wow, 29 people have added this to favorite, guys. Many people want this book or this interior. So I wish I could make this bigger, but as I can see here, it has a name, address, phone number, website, logbook number, and date. Then there's some other tiny things here that I can't see, but from what I'm seeing, it looks similar to what I'm seeing right here. Yeah, it looks similar to what I'm seeing here, guys. So if many people want this book, as you can see right here, this interior, if many people want this interior, as you can see right here, that means that it's a really great interior. No reviews yet. So nobody has purchased it yet, or they've purchased it, but no one has left a review. But it's definitely an interior that many people want, as you can see from here. And let's go to Publisher Rock and see what it has to say concerning the keywords. Notary Records Journal. Here are the keywords. I'm just gonna create a scroll for you. All right, so that was it for the keywords. We're moving on to the fourth niche of the day. The next niche is engineering graph paper. Yeah, this one is only 323 results. You know, I always strive to give you the best niches and niches that are less than 1,000 results. That's what I always try to do. And definitely in this video, all the niches are less than 1000 results. So that was just an aside. So moving on to this niche, engineering graph paper, we're going to scroll down and take a look at Amazon's Choice. Amazon's Choice is priced at 898 and has bestsellers rank of about 1000. That means it's doing extremely well. And only two are sponsored. And let's take a look at other. Let's see. This is what 8 by half by 11, 8.5 by 11, yeah, 8.5 by 11. So let's look at our interior and see. Let's look at interior. KDP engineering graph paper notebook. So it's just a blank notebook, guys, and it's doing this extremely well. Wow, this is crazy. And it's what, just 300 results on Amazon. So let's take a look at yeah, this one too is 8.5 by 11. That's what I was looking at here. Yeah, 8.5 by 11, 8.5 by 11. So guys, we're drawing inspiration from the best niche, Amazon's Choice, all of them, the bestsellers. We're taking a look at what they are doing that is making them have sales. Obviously, we know we have to put a price that is less than the bestsellers. Okay, so we can give buyers a reason to buy from us instead of the bestsellers. And let's look at the description. So guys, it's basically a blank page, so there's nothing really different from what we have here on to is also 29 people have added this to favorite, 29 plus. So it's just a blank book. As you can see, this one says it's a belong to page engineering 5 squares inch graph paper. This workbook belongs to. We should definitely take look into this. Take a look at their description, take a look at their title, their price. There's something that they're doing right that is making them draw all these customers. So that is it for the fourth niche. We're going to go to Publisher Rocket and say engineering graph paper. Look at the keywords that we can use for this niche. So I'm just going to quickly scroll down for you. Fresh free graphing paper here, guys. Please don't use keywords like this. Free graphing paper is definitely not free. All right, moving on to the last niche of the day. Coin inventory logbook. Coin inventory logbook. All right, 218 results on Amazon. We're going to scroll down, see examples of the books that are doing well. So this one, yep. So this one, look at this. It's just a black book that someone put white wordings on it, and it's selling, guys. This is just crazy. So these are the books that are selling. This is the one on the first page. Well, this one hasn't sold. Let's see when it was published. March 26th. That was not too long ago. Today it's April 1st. And also it was just how many, like about 5 days ago. So it's too early to tell. But these other ones have been doing well. This one have been sponsored. Yeah, this is exactly what you should do. Immediately you post your book and you increase the categories that you're selling from 2 to 10. You should definitely advertise it, guys. That is what you should be doing. So this is a definitely good example of what you should be doing right here. And here the other books. This one has 8 reviews, 2 reviews. Let's take a look at the other books and see if this niche is doing well. Yep, this one too is doing well. And this one has 7 reviews, 1 reviews, 19 reviews. So coin inventory logbook red, and I'm guessing it's the leather cover also that is quite appealing. So maybe that's why it's having a lot of sales, price at $5.99 too. Yeah, the price too is very appealing too. So you need to take a look at all these books, take a look at what they're doing well that is making them have a lot of sales. And we're gonna move to and see the interior and create a Fabrica that I found for you. This one is a coin inventory logbook interior, price of 40 cents, 90% off for the Easter sale. And 100 pages, 6 by 9 inches, available in PDF, InDesign, and PowerPoint for you to edit it. And it is What's included? There's this coin inventory logbook belongs to item, coin type, year issued, quantity, country, grade, so and all the like. I don't want to read all that. So I'm just gonna go right into Publisher Rocket coin inventory logbook. I'm gonna quickly scroll for you so you can grab it. Alright guys, so that's it for this video guys. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.